The Jamaican Invitational team won the women's section and sent off. Second time of asking. Seville gunning already for Racers Track Club, closing on the University of Technology. So it's Seville to Zarnell Hughes. Carr traveling well also, and Gary Card for the University of Technology. Hughes to Keon Benjamin. So it's Racers Track Club traveling well on the inside also. Sprint Tech to Brendan Rodney. So it's Golson closing. Rashawn Clark as well for Dynamic. Golson closing. Looking across 38-38. So close going there. And it was only decided on that anchor leg.
That's a big performance from Sprint Tech. They had a really, really good team. And Sandre Davison, who has anchored Jamaica 4x100 relay teams to Carifta Gold, to World Under 20 Silver with the anchor leg. He's been around a few camps, Sandre Davidson now, but he's found a home at GC Foster College with the Sprint Tech unit, and he's taken them home. Racers Track Club front-loading with the world champion Oblique Sevilla on the first leg and Zarnell Hughes on the backstretch, and well, let's just say they weren't able to hold it all the way.
Yeah, and like I said, it was only on this going into the final leg that yeah.
Handing over to Sandre Davison, and he's just high-stepping the rest of the way, fine sprinting. Really, that third leg for Sprint Tech made that difference with that run from Brendan Rodney.
And it's still early in the season, but this is the fastest time in the world this year, bettering the 38.58 set by the Australian national team back on the 21st of February. So that was a week ago that the Australian team set that 38.58, and we see the Sprint Tech team going better. Brendan Rodney, so experienced, has won world and Olympic gold medals with the Canadian national team, has been training in Jamaica for some time now and making a big difference on the third leg for the Sprint Tech team. Wonderful sprinting.